does not have any payouts whatsoever when it comes to dividends. Unable to evaluate Weatherford's international dividend against the top 25% market benchmark, as the company has not reported any payouts. Unable to form a dividend volatility check, as Weatherford International has not any reported. Unable to verify if Weatherford International's dividend has been increasing, as the company has not reported any payouts. Unable to calculate sustainability of dividends of Weatherford. And you guys get the picture. No need to calculate the sustainability of Weatherford International dividends in 3 years, as they haven't been paying any dividends. Here's the CEO. Here's the manager of Weatherford. And we can see all the information. He has a tenure of 2 years, compensation of $10 million. This dude's a millionaire. Mark A. McCullum serves as director of Westlake Chemical Corp since May 18, 2018. He has been the chief executive officer and president of Weatherford International. And we can see Mark's remuneration is higher than average for companies of similar size in the United States of America. Insufficient data for Mark to compare compensation growth. The average 10 years 1.5, so he's been there longer. Average age 56, and you can see all these other chairmen and compensations in 10 years. And we look at the board of directors, 3.3 and 65 average, and we can look at all the information over here. No 3-month insider trading information. That's good. And we look at the news. We already know that there's no major news in the short term that affects the market directly. No major news. And we can see, we can take a look at the location of this company being in Switzerland. Take a look at the staff of 26,000, and we already know that it's in the oil and gas equipment and services and the energy industry. According to Stock Predictor, we can see for WFT, we can see that we are predicting with Stock Predictor that the high is going to be at 73. The lows will be 72, around 72. And that's what we're predicting for the next trading day. The overall score for WFT out of 100 is 24, which is very poor. The short term, 6, very poor. Long-term technical aspects of it, 8, very poor. But the fundamental aspect of it, 58, not bad. You can see the analyst forecast over here. You can see we're looking at a major decline with a minus 87% low, the median 164%, the high 600%. That is crazy, 600%. We can see that the average analyst recommendation over here is a hold. This is according to Stock Score Report. This is all according to Stock Score Report. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we're still not done here. You can see that the analysts over here are very mixed with Weatherford. and we can see that the historical growth grade is an F. So we got a very poor grade when we look at the historical grade. Earnings per share and the equity, not good. You can see the year, the YOY growth grade, and we can see similar trend. We already know this company doesn't offer any dividends, never has. These are in the negative range, the PEG, PEGY. And we can see that the stock is undervalued, so that's good news. Return on sales, positive. Return on assets in the negative. And we got the return on invested capital in the negative. Profit margin, negative. Return on equity, very poor, and return on equity ratio, very negative. And we got debt free cash flow in the negative. Earnings per share is negative, therefore value price and the Graham number cannot be calculated. The MOS percentage, margin of safety, minus 100%. And we can see the market stage. We can see we have a mix. Fundamental alert is unknown. Some indicators suggest buy, others suggest sell, so be ready to act. It's all up to you guys. It's all up to you. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is this company a buy, sell, crash? Let me know what you guys think. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Comparing it to the Vanguard 500 index, we can see that if you would have started with $10,000 portfolio in 1986, you would have ended up a lot more if you would have just invested your money in the S&P 500. Now I'm pretty sure this is obvious for most people since WFT Weatherford is crashing. But interesting thing is you still would have made money if you would have invested in 1990, but you would have lost money after the 90s. So when we look at the CAGR, we can see that Weatherford grows on average of 4% a year, and the best year was 530%. Imagine if we could get a 530% like in the 90s. That was actually during a crash. The 1980s. There was a crash in the late 80s. So after the crash, it grew. So it looks like this company may rise after a crash. Is a crash coming? That's the question. We look at the market correlation. It's less than 50% correlated. You look at the Sharpe and Sartino ratio, you can see that it's much more volatile than the Vanguard 500 in the sense of risk to and we can see the arithmetic annualized 20%, the geometric mean annualized 4%, the volatility monthly 15%, annualized 52%, the max drawdown is minus 98%. Tracking error 48%. You can see the upside capture ratio at 117%. The downside capture ratio 157%. Or I should say 157, sorry. Well, yeah, 157%. Sustainable withdrawal rate 19.14%, and this is too much to look at, monthly returns. And you can see the drawdowns. This is only comparing the drawdowns. Weatherford has really drawn down more than any other time. This is the first time Weatherford has crashed this hard. There you guys have it. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, hit that like button,